welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 8 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with the first chapter, and the name of the chapter is Important Plants. You all know that plants play a vital role in our life and we use various products that are made from plants. Let's explore a few more about them. Let's begin with the chapter. It begins with that plants play a vital role in our lives and they provide us with numerous amounts of products. Let's explore how much we know about them. Use the help decks to fill in the blanks. And the first fill in the blank is the chemical indicator litmus is derived from various species of dash, and the answer is lichens, LICHENS. Next is the lateral latex bilata is sourced from which plant, and the name of the plant is Manilkara bidentata, and the botanical name it was, and the original name, or you can say the common name which we call it as the bully tree. The next is the latex processed into commercial rubber comes from dash, that is para rubber tree. Next is the oil that forms the base for enamel paints and lacquers is called as the linseed oil. Next is soya oil is extracted from, obviously it is extracted from soya bean plant. Then we have the sixth one. Clove oil is obtained from clove plant, but this is the common name. The botanical name is Eugenia caryophyllata. Next is seventh, the aromatic substance in mustard seeds is what? It is sinigrin. Then the last one is dash is primarily cultivated for rapeseed oil and it is used as a lubricant, and the answer is Brassica nepus. Brassica nepus, and the common name for this is rapeseed plant. So with this we have completed the fill in the blanks. Let's now move on to the your answer please. The question for you children is that your answer please asks is, can you name the tree which is used to make cricket bats? So what are they asking? They are asking, can you name the tree which is used to make cricket bats? आखिर cricket bats किस tree से बनाए जाते हैं? Look out for the answers and write the answer here itself down below in the book. Let's now move on to the quick fact. The quick fact says that auxins are growth hormones in plants. How do the plants grow? They grow with the help of hormones. Yes, similarly like humans and animals, plants also have hormones, and the hormones that is responsible for the growth of a plant is auxins. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.